So hello all of you. तो कैसे हो आप लोग? या पता है it's after I think after 5 to 6 months I'm uploading this video. Sorry for that. And I cannot promise, but one thing I will promise that I will complete this playlist, the whole playlist before my graduation. Okay, so don't worry about that because in the past or we can say 2023 only I have covered all the syllabus that I want to cover in this playlist or in this course, whatever you can say. So we have a syllabus. I know what things to explain. It's about it is about the matter of time that I'm not getting. बस समय की कमी है. So whenever I will get the time, whenever I have the time, I will definitely now onwards, I will definitely create the video and I will just complete this playlist before June or May. Okay. So without wasting time, let's jump up to the topic. So where we have stopped, where we had stopped, like I think I have explained about if statements before the conclusion. So in that, there is a triangle. See, if and the loop which while and for loop and if step, if and else condition. These three things, no, you are going to see it in every program. Okay, कोई भी program हो ना, these things will come. Okay, come in handy, or we can say now in every program, in every other way, in type of functions, or we can say uh, a small portion of it. This three triangle for if else and the while these three things you are going to see it in any program you are going to code in your future. Okay, so ये चीज एक clear कर लो. So yeah, of course screen पे दिख रहा है while loop पढ़ने वाला है. Just it is an introductory video to while loop. Without wasting time, we will just start. What we will do in this, how we are going to understand this topic is by building one quiz master, we can say. So this quiz master will ask us some questions about our general knowledge. Okay, so here let's start. Um, so I will just end this thing. Wait a minute, and I will jump up to a collab. Okay, yeah, okay. Uh, Wait a minute. Okay, yeah. My output now. So basically, I'm trying to build here one quiz. What question it is going to ask me? The question it is written there, that when did India get its independence? Of course, everyone knows that. I hope so. Okay. And then many are debating we still are not independent and all and all. So that's not our point now. When did India get its independence? We know the year, that is 1947. Okay. So to make it more what we can say cinematic or entertaining, I have write this hip hip hooray if the answer what we are doing here. Okay. I hope you know if you have seen my previous videos that I'm first printing one statement, that is when did India get its independence year. So if a user have to input the year, and by using it, converting it into integer, I have explained each and everything. Okay. After that, I have used here if and else statements. The first is if year equals to 1947. Okay, so हमारा independence हमको 1947 में मिला था. Okay, as per history. Okay, and to make it more cinematic, I write down the statement if the user is correct. That is, if the user is correct, then it will print hip hip hooray, you got it right, man. And if the user is wrong, then come on, dude, don't you know even this? Huh? भारतीय हो ना भाई. Okay, so we I don't want to abuse the user, of course. It's just for the fun. Okay, so let's try out the code. I know you're wondering what's new in this. Okay, as I have already discussed if and else statement in our previous video. Yeah, you got to know my point. I will explain it with time. Okay, you have little time. So I will first enter like 1947. Okay, I know my independent. Hip hip hooray! You got it right, man. Let's try this running this code with wrong year. Suppose I assume that we got our independence in 1960. Okay. Hey, yaar, what the compiler saying? Come on, man. Don't you know even this? Yeah, man. He's abusing me. Okay. So you know, like I got it wrong. So should I have a second chance? Of course, I there must be मुझे भी second chance मिलना चाहिए यार. There must be second chance. Everyone should get second chance in their life. In I don't want to discuss your philosophy. So before going into that, let's give our users second chance. No, I will not put the AI is saying me print this statement. The correct answer is 1947. I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to do something more interesting. So what I'm going to write? I'm going to write here print. So what should we write? That's okay. I will let you attempt this once more. Okay, I will write this. That's okay. Why am I- So there's problem with my keyboard, I guess. Its laptop is heated up due to lots of work I have done before. So okay, that's okay. Uh, and I will let you. Okay, I will let you attempt this. Oh, okay. So there is problem with I. Okay, I later on then. So don't worry about it. So I will let you attempt this once more. Okay, that's my one. Okay, I have given the chance to the user. Now I will what I will like. I will ask again this. I will imprint this two things again. I will just copy here because there is problem with keyboard and I hate to write again and again. Na, 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 na. Okay, done. After that, I ask user again the year. Then what I will do now? Okay, I will again go with this. If it is 1947, it's going to print this, and else if it is not, I will write this. Okay, print. What I will write? Oh, failed in your second attempt to. Okay, I will write this. Failed. Failed in your second attempt to. Okay, let's make it more cinematic. What? Okay, let's try this code. Okay, now I hope you understand what I have done here. I have used a nested if else statement. Like if this statement is false, if this condition becomes false, then it will go into this else. Then it will then give the user second chance. User will input again the value of the year, and if it gets failed again, then this will print this statement. Okay, as easy as that. Okay, so let's try this code. So I will write 1950. Come on, don't you know even this? That's okay. I will let you attempt this once more. Okay. What we can say, compiler is smart and what we kind. He had given me another chance. When did India get its independence? I'm मैं बहुत शरारती हूँ मेरे को अभी भी नहीं पता क्या है मेरा अभी भी 19 suppose 2003 when I got it's my birth year. Okay. Hey, failed your second attempt to grrr. Okay. So the user must get another chance also. Third chance. I think with if I give him another chance, or I will start writing code in this else again, and then this code will become bigger and bigger. And I just say I don't like to write much, or we can say code much, or we can say type much. Okay. It will also make our program lengthy. So to cover up that problem, we have our master blaster while loop. Okay. So what the while loop will do? Okay, suppose what's my motto now? I would like to write a piece of code which lets the user attempt as many times as he wants. Okay, the code will end only when it gets the right answer. What it means when I use while loop, what it does is actually it's just it has one condition in the while, and until what we can have the right word is until the condition is true, the program will get repeating whatever we have written inside that while loop. It's get repeated until and unless the condition is true. Once the condition becomes false, it will come out of the loop and it will stop. Or it, in the program, or whatever will be there after that while loop, it will compile that. Okay, that's easy. सो समझे हिंदी में बोले तो क्या होगा अभी मैं वाइल को एक कंडीशन देंगे, जब तक वो कंडीशन ट्रू है तब तक वो उसके अंदर जो भी कुछ लिखा होगा वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको रन करते रहेगा। and as soon as that condition gets false, वो loop के बाहर आ जाएगा, while loop के बाहर आ जाएगा, and that's the matter of time we will end our program. Okay, so let's start this again. I will again ask our user about, yeah, when did our India gets independence? Yeah, so that's the GK question. And then what I will do now, I will use while loop now. Okay, see here. While, yeah, while, okay, while year, yeah, while year, yeah, while year is not equals to 1947. I don't need this. This AI is not as efficient as it must be. So while year is not equals to 1947, we can say print, or what we can say, you got this wrong once again. Okay, you got this. We need screen keyboard once again for I as such. You got this wrong. Try again. No, you got this. No, I'll use now. Yeah, enter one again or try again. Okay, so then I will ask about input to the grammar, and in the end, I will write if he gets right. Obviously, he will come out of the loop. Okay, it means that as soon as user input the correct output, that is 1947, means this whatever the condition I have written, that year is not equals to 1947, this become false. As soon as this condition become false, it will come compiler will come out of that loop, and it will start with this print statement. Means that means user has inputted correct year value, that is 1947. So yeah, as user is correct, so we must, can say, शाबाशी तो देनी पड़ेगी ना, कुछ अलग शाबाशी देते हैं. Wow, you got it right. You got it. This eye is giving me more tension than anything now. Yeah, you got it right. So that's okay. Let's try to run this program. When did India get its independence? I will write 1940 67. You got this wrong. Try again. Okay. So 1876. You got this wrong. Try again. What do we? I will write 2003. You got this wrong. Try again. Okay, it's giving me multiple chance. Okay, life doesn't give you multiple chance. Okay, and after that, I will write like suppose I will get my yeah, independence in 2050. So it will again say you got this wrong. Try again. So yeah. So again, it's now I will input the correct year, that is 1947. So yeah. So it's saying wow, you got it right. So that's what we have to discuss in this video or in this lecture. This I have given introduction to this while loop. In next video, I will use one example, one dedicated example to while loop, one complex one. Okay, so understanding while loop for an, we can say, a person or a person who is not familiar with any programming language is difficult, obviously. So take your time, and after that, I will just using this quiz example, I will like to explain that using while loop, we can create a quiz master who is not arrogant, who is emotionless. Like let's take an example of this with a real life. You have seen that whenever you sign up on the Google or we log in on the Google, any platform of Google, so जब हम password enter करते हैं, when we input incorrect password, what it shows, it doesn't say us that you die, man. You have inputted incorrect password, so you must die now. It doesn't give us like, it doesn't, what we can say, it doesn't act arrogant like that, or it gives us second chances. So it obviously it also gives us many chances. जब तक हम राइट पासवर्ड इनपुट नहीं करते तब तक वो हमें यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड के चांस देते रहते हैं. सो दैट्स वन ऑफ द, ऐसे लाइव एग्जांपल और रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाइल लूप. So that's what I want to discuss in this video. Thank you, and thank you so much for all the subscribers that is still there. Okay, कोई वीडियो अपलोड करने के ना बावजूद भी, if you are there, thank you so much. Great. Thank you. Bye.